Hello and welcome. I am Vadim from Online Training for Everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to get prepared for the assessment test. We'll look at the most common questions, I'll explain you how to solve them, and you will have opportunity to practice. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. Can you determine the pattern and the next number? 3, 6, 7, 14, 15, and then comes the missing number. The pattern here is multiplied by 2, plus 1, multiplied by 2 again, plus 1 again. So after 15, the next step is multiplied by 2, which would mean that the next number is 15 multiplied by 2 and equals 30. The other options are wrong because they don't match the required multiplied by 2 step after 15, and the correct answer here is choice B. A recipe uses 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. How much water is needed for 6 cups of rice? Well, I forgot to mention that this question is for you. You got 7 seconds to solve it. I hope you remember that this is a practice, right? Ready, set, go. Time's up. Drop your answer in the comments before your confidence changes. I'll check later to see who got it right. And remember, editing after the reveal is between you and your conscience. After adding 10% tax, the total price is $55. What was the price before tax? With 10% tax, the total is 110% of the original price. So total equals base multiplied by 1.1. To find the base, let's divide 55 by 1.1 and it equals 50, because adding 10% to 50 adds $5 tax and 55 total. That's why the correct answer here is choice A, $50. A customer buys 3 items for $18 each and pays $60. How much change do they get? Time's up. Did you solve it? Drop your answer in the comments and I'll check it later to see who got it right. Remember, confident guesses will be judged very gently. Shopping mess time. Ever wonder how tax sneaks into your final bill? Let's find out with this quick problem. You're buying a jacket that costs $80. The sales tax, 8.5%. So what is the total you actually pay? Let's run through the numbers, and no need to panic, it's just a little percentage math. Here's how you solve it. 8.5% of $80 is $6.80. Add this to the price, and you will get final answer, $86.80. That's how tax adds up. Now you won't be surprised at the checkout. Guess what? It's time for math with pens and pencils. It's all about comparing costs and splitting things fairly. Here's what we told. 3 pencils cost as much as 2 pens. And 1 pen costs $2. So, what's the price of 1 pencil? Time's up. What answer did you get? Post it in comments and I'll come back later to check. No pressure, but your brain is officially on record. If cloud spend increases by 15% and all other categories stay the same, what would be the new total budget? Let's first calculate the existing total budget. 1200K plus 420K plus 180K plus 260K plus 90K plus 50K equals 2200K, which is ultimately 2.2 million. A 15% increase on the cloud is 0.15 multiplied by 420K equals 63K. So the new total becomes 2200K plus 63K equals 2.263K. And the correct answer here is choice C. Using the price versus units sold chart, which price point generates the highest total revenue? Time's up. Did you figure it out? Make sure to drop your answer below, and I'll check later to see who nailed it. Bonus points for confidence, but accuracy is still preferred. The rule is, if the error rate is above 2%, the batch must be rechecked. The error rate is exactly 2%. What happens? Above 2% means greater than 2%, for example, 2.01% or more. Since 2.0% is exactly 2%, the rule does not apply, so no rechecks are required. And the correct answer here is choice D, does not need a recheck. A package weight is 12 pounds. The label says 192 ounces. Are the labels consistent? Time's up. Put your answer in the comments, and I'll see later who got it right. If you guessed wildly, just call it an instinct. Monthly sign-ups are 40, 55, 50, and then 65. What is the average number of sign-ups? To calculate the average, let's add all months. 40 plus 55 plus 50 plus 65 equals 210. Then divide by 4 months. 210 divided by 4 equals 52.5. So the average is 52.5. And the correct answer here is choice B. A price drops from $90 to $63. What percent discount is that? Time is up. Did your brain survive this one? Comment your answer, and I'll check later who solved it. Wrong answers are welcomed, but they may need emotional support. A tank is 3/4 full. You use 1/4 of the tank's total size. How full is the tank now? Start with 3/4 and subtract 1/4, because you used 1/4 of the total tank. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4, which also equals 1/2. So the tank is half full, and the correct answer here is choice C, 1/2. A list shows 1.2, 1.20, 1.200, and 1.02. Which value is different in its meaning? Time's up. What did you choose? Comment your answer below, and I'll check it later to see who got it right. And remember, panic is not a strategy, but it is relatable. You have 90 minutes to finish 6 equal tasks. How many minutes for each task? Split the total time evenly. 90 divided by 6 equals 15 minutes per task, which means each task gets 15 minutes if all tasks are the same length. And the correct answer here is choice C. You must pick one top priority task to do first. Which one should you do? Time's up. Did you get it? Post your answer in the comments, and I'll come back later to check. And if you got it wrong, blame the timer. It looked suspicious. The chart shows Beta Corp has 24% market share, 2,400 units out of 10,000 total. If Beta Corp gains 300 units and all other companies stay the same, what is Beta Corp's new market share? Beta Corp starts at 2,400 units because 24% of 10,000 is 2,400. After gaining 300 units, Beta Corp becomes 2,700 units. Total market also increases by 300 units. 10,000 plus 300 equals 10,300. New share equals 2,700 divided by 10,300 and equals approximately 0.262, which equals to 26.2%. And the correct answer here is choice B. Take a close look at the market share pie chart. Who is the market leader and how far are they? Which below statement is correct? Time's up. Make sure to drop your answer below and I'll check it later to see who solved it. And if you got it right, enjoy feeling smart for the next 12 seconds. A file has 2400 rows. You review 15% of them. How many rows did you review? %10 of 2400 is 240 and 5% is 120. So 15% would be 240 plus 120 equals 360. And the correct answer here is choice C. A store sold 120 items on Monday and then 150 on Tuesday. What percent did sales increase? Time's up. Did you solve it? Or did the puzzle solve you? Comment your answer and I'll check later who got it right. If this video was helpful, check out other videos on online training for everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who always says, that's easy. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.